Here's a quick unboxing of the Q1 Pro by ZUMIMALL. List of the features. It's a 1080p with night vision. My favorite part is it can be paired up with a solar panel, so you don't ever have to plug it into house power. Let's see what's in here. Do not charge camera below 0 Celsius. Keep the camera charged. Destruction manual. Micro USB. Mount stand. Looks like a small power or reset pin and some mounting screws. Some more mounting screws. The magnetic mount. Adhesive, two-sided 3M tape for the magnetic mount. And I'm guessing this is the camera. Don't crush. Okay. Weatherproof cover. There's your power, your reset, SD card slot. This guy's pretty cool. This is the solar panel. You just pop that little guy out there, and the solar panel charge plug, if it already doesn't have this on it, will fit right through there and keep it waterproof. There it is. The Q1 Pro. Meet Owlsley. We're gonna set up the Q1 just behind his ears over here. Solar panel installed. All right, here he is tucked away behind Owlsley. Oh, does that look suspicious? All right, let's commission Owlsley here by adding him to the Cloud Edge app. So this is a battery camera.
Hold the device power button to start the device.
So I already turned it on.
Please reset the device by holding the reset button for 5 seconds. Wait for the indicator light. Please choose a 2-point. Please remove the protective film from your camera lens. Tap next to show your
I'll be right
QR.
back. Okay. It looks like Owlsley's ears aren't in the way, so we're good. Decently hidden. Thanks, Owlsley.